Welcome back to the Phonics classroom. This morning we're going to be learning a new skill. So let's go ahead and jump right on into our lesson by practicing some of our letter sounds. So I'm going to say a letter sound and I want us to write the letter or letters that make that sound. Here we go. For number 1, my letter sound is th. T-H makes the th sound. For number 2, my letter sound is G. G. Yes, letter G makes the G sound. For number 3, my letter sound is E. E. That's the short sound that letter E makes. For number 4, my letter sound is th. Th. Yes, that's the voiced sound for the digraph T-H. For number 5, my letter sound is D. D. Letter D can make the D sound, and the E-D suffix can make the D sound. For number 6, my letter sound is T. T. Letter T can make the T sound, and the E-D suffix can make the T sound. For number 7, my letter sound is P. P. Yes, letter P. For number 8, my letter sound is ng. Ng. The digraph N-G. For number 9, my letter sound is Z. Z. Yes, letter Z and letter S can make the Z sound. And for number 10, my letter sound is N. N. Yes, letter N. Excellent job! For number 11, we are going to spell the word old. Old. And this follows that wild COLT rule we learned yesterday. When we have an O or an I with 2 consonants after it, it makes the long sound, like in the word old. So I'm going to spell O, old. Old. Very good. For number 12, we're going to spell the word find. Find. This word also has a long I sound with 2 consonants after it. To spell find, I'm writing find. Find. Excellent job, sweet friends. All right, friends, I want you to echo these words after me and listen for the sound that's in the medial position, the middle position. Here we go. Toad. Roast. Coal. What sound did you guys hear in the medial position? Yes, we heard the long O sound. So I've written those words up here on the board, and I want you guys to look and see, what do you think is making the O sound? Yes, all of these words have O-A right next to each other. Toad, roast, coal. So O-A is the new digraph we're learning today. When we have O-A together, they make one long O sound. And we all know that when 2 letters come together to make one sound, we call that a digraph. So I'm going to underline each one of my O-A digraphs. Excellent. So which letter in this digraph is doing the talking? Letter O or letter A? Yes, letter O is making the long sound, and letter A is not making a sound. So we cross it out and put the long symbol above letter O. I'm going to do that for each of my words. So now when I read it, I know T-O-D, toad. Very good. Do you guys see any any other codings that we need to do to any of these words up here? The only thing I see is the last word, coal, needs a K back on that C because it's making the K sound. Very good job, friends. Let's jump back into our worksheet. For number 13, we're going to spell the word boat. Boat has the long O sound. So we're going to be using our O-A digraph. I'm going to spell book, O-T, boat. Very good. For number 14, we are going to spell the word float. Float. This word also has that long O sound, so I know I'm using my O-A digraph. Let's spell O-T, float. Excellent. And for number 15, we're going to spell the word soapy. Soapy. This word has the long O sound, so I'm using my O-A digraph, and it also has the E sound at the end. So I know that I'm going to use letter Y to make that long E sound since it's at the end of our word. So let's spell soapy. S-O-P-E. Soapy. Excellent job, friends. I want you guys to practice coding the words on your worksheet on your own. Remember, when you spot this O-A digraph, we draw a line underneath, we put the long symbol on our O, and we cross out letter A. I can't wait to see all of your great work, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another fabulous phonics lesson. Bye, my friends.